If you need to filter your images, videos, audios, etc., or if you want to find only the files that have a certain extension, we'll show you a very easy way to do it using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin makes it really easy to filter and edit thousands of files in a matter of seconds, thanks to its excellent search and bulk editing tools. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Let's say we need to export all images with the JPEG extension. To do this, we have to use the search tool, because in the spreadsheet will appear all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Here, you have to enter the extension or format you want to search for. For example, you can search for your images by entering image or the extension JPEG, PNG, GIF, etc. Once you're done selecting the search terms, run the search to filter all your files. After filtering the files, you can export them to a CSV file for editing in Excel or Google Sheets. For this, open the Export tool. Select the rows you want to export. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the file. And download the file. This is an example of how the file will look in Google Sheets. Definitely, the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin will save you a lot of time and tedious work. Remember that you will find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.